In this video, I will show you how to make like and subscribe animation in CapCut. So after you open the CapCut like this, now here is it, go to media. After you go to media, go to library. Under the library, go to green screen. After you go to the green screen, scroll to down here, you'll be able to see the subscribe, like and subscribe, and here is it. So now drag it to your timeline. Drag it to your timeline like this now. Now change the position like this. So I select the green screen, go to this video, remove BG, and make sure just to check on this chroma key. After you check on the chroma key, don't touch anything, just click the screen. So now is the like subscribe animation. So let's see, like and subscribe. So all you have to do now if you want to reduce the size audio basically like this. So now you want to position it, and that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps.